Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know if it's again Samantha. I'ma come back with our next good, nice, clean video. So if I'm glad to say there right because I have something to talk about, right? Like I have something to talk about. Especially, people who bleach and them purchase cream and the cream don't work for them and all them some there and you just wonder why. Like literally, why is this cream not working for me? Seriously, why is it not working for you? Well, maybe it's because some people maybe purchase the wrong bleaching cream or they call it fake. That is one piece of drama, guys. Because it's hard to spend your money to buy something and then when you get the product, it's just not the real one. And then when you use the product for your face, it does bump up your face or it does do all type of things where you never want and somebody else use the cream in the same bottle and it works for them and it's the original. Yeah. It's because some of the cream them fake and some of them are original and sometimes you just can't know the fake from the real until you open the bottle. Cause some of the cream, when you know it's original, some of them the cream pale and some of them look you know orange or whatsoever, like I think it's car white. All I can say, guys, is make sure you read whatsoever you're putting on your skin. If you're trying to find a bleaching cream or a lightening cream or a whitening cream, anything you want to call it, make sure you research the ingredients and see. By the way, sometimes you research on things, and you're not even bother. You're not even bother to put it for your skin, especially some medication, you see? Doctor give you some medication, right? And then you say you are going to research, say some of the ingredients when they have side effects, you're not even bother want to take it because you say, Lord have mercy, may I go bathroom or this, that. Yeah, so. Alright, just research a thing and make sure you keep safe. Wear your mask, guys. Wear your mask, wash your hands, big up yourself. Oh, guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Yeah, if you have questions, just ask the question. Then, me, I'm always here. So, answer. If I don't answer, no, you don't know. So, I'm not going to answer. Or sometimes, I just not see the comment. It just don't come up in the comment section. Sometimes, I just hide. So, I don't see that the comment there. You see me? But some of the time I'm going on my elder comment and look on it and see what I'm supposed to say. So big up yourself, guys. Big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. Clean skin. Boo.